Are you tasked with protecting your organization from cyber threats? Do you need to hone your skills in responding to and recovering from security incidents? Or maybe you feel the weight of responsibility to keep your organization's data safe and secure? Welcome to the Cybersecurity Incident Response and Disaster Recovery Training. In this training, we delve into the complexities of cyber threats and the methodologies to counteract them effectively. We aim to enhance your resilience against cyber incidents and equip you with strategies for swift recovery. This training covers everything from establishing a skilled incident response team to mastering disaster recovery techniques and implementing effective crisis communication strategies. The best part? Our hands-on course project bridges theory and practice, empowering you to launch and succeed in any industry. Our learning environment is tailored to provide personalized support to each and every student. Our dedicated team of educators and tutors is just a click away, ensuring you get the guidance you need to excel in your studies. Are you prepared to level up your skills? Book a free consulting meeting with our knowledgeable experts and explore the best path for your growth.